there's opportunity to learn more about team building and managing people, and about negotiating for successful outcomes for all parties.
Dee's approach is very informative, but she describes it in a way that makes it really easy to understand and easy to learn.
I thought that the interactive elements were really enjoyable and they didn't make you feel too awkward, and they actually helped concrete what you were learning.
Trying not to use negative words like don't, can't, but referring to I agree with you, and so really helpful methods of working.
Just a better way of communicating, building rapport.
I like Dee's NLP session because she's a very engaging presenter. There was quite a lot of laughter in the room, and it was a great opportunity to do some practical exercises.
Really useful points for the workplace and HR professionals.